He took me to the Apollo, and I won first place 4 times.
What do you think of that?
I think it was nice.
We're talking Apollo in New York here. This is video from the Apollo, and hopes are all this experience will lead to other things.
He'd love to be in a video. That's what he wants, but I like to get him in the commercials and, you know, a little modeling and stuff like that.
Maybe a movie.
Yeah, maybe a movie. Maybe a movie.
I have no family. You, your crazy-ass mother, your 2-timing ass daughter that dropped a dime on me, y'all can all go to hell. Kendrick, though, from here on out, I'm on my own.